guys, it's Stock Curries. The stock market continues to fall and the Russell 2000 hits its lowest level in 14 months. I found 3 stocks that are rising. In today's video, I'll discuss those as well as give you the breaking news that caused the market to crash on Monday. So let's get into it! Oil rose over 8% overnight on Monday morning to a high of $130 a barrel. This after it was announced that Congress would work on a bill to sanction Russian oil. That bill is scheduled to be heard on the House floor on Wednesday, and Nancy Pelosi said it could pass the same day. Oil pulled back during the pre-market hours after Germany said it was reluctant to ban Russian imports, but still finished the day at $123 a barrel. I think if Congress really does sanction Russian oil on Wednesday, then we could see the price rise another 22% to $150 a barrel. For that reason, we opened a weekly call option on OXY on Monday, and we are currently up over 6% on that option. Keep in mind that this is a weekly option, and I do plan to sell Wednesday or Thursday in hopes OXY rises when the US sanctions Russian oil. If Brent crude hits $150 a barrel, I will sell this option and most likely switch to put options on oil stocks to ride the wave back down. The reason I chose OXY was because it was one of the few oil stocks that was down on Monday. OXY fell after it was reported that Carl Icahn sold off the remainder of his OXY stake. Other oil stocks you might want to consider are ExxonMobil, ticker XOM, Chevron Corp, ticker CVX, and US Oil, ticker USO. The rising oil prices and news that Congress might sanction Russian oil also sent the markets down, with the S&P having its worst day in 18 months. Now, because our QQQ put option was expiring in 2 weeks and we were starting to see increased decay from theta, or time decay, we closed the QQQ put option we opened a week and a half ago for a 31% profit. We then rolled that into a longer dated April 14th put option, and we are currently up 11% on that. I do plan to sell if QQQ hits $300 because $300 is a very strong support level on QQQ. It should also be noted that $317 is also a support level on QQQ, so we might get a bounce off of $317 before we continue lower. Aside from the indices turning 100% bearish on Friday, with confirmation of that bearishness continuing on Monday, I also think the indices will continue to drop as oil prices rise and rumors of Congress sanctioning Russian oil continue. Keep in mind that the CPI inflation numbers also come out Thursday before the market opens. Economists are expecting a 7.8% increase in inflation. If inflation comes in higher than that, expect the market to continue to decline, as it will put more pressure on the Fed to raise interest rates faster. If inflation comes in lower than that, as some people think it will due to lower prices and things like used cars, then the market could rise on Thursday. Also keep in mind that no matter what the inflation number comes in at, it won't include the spike in oil prices that we've seen over the past week. And rising oil prices causes all products that must be shipped by air, sea, or land to rise as well due to the higher fuel surcharges that will be added to each product's shipping costs. So March CPI inflation numbers that will come out next month should be significantly higher than February's inflation numbers. The fear of higher inflation caused Treasury yields to rise on Monday, which is putting downward pressure on the stock market, especially the Nasdaq. Rising inflation is also causing concern of an incoming recession. The 10-year Treasury yield minus the 2-year Treasury yield has long been a strong indicator of an incoming recession. Once the yield spread drops below zero, a recession starts within 12 to 18 months. The yield spread dropped down to 0.23 on Monday. At the current rate of decline, the yield spread could drop below zero in the next 2 to 3 weeks, or around the end of March. That points to a recession starting somewhere between April and October of next year. And that lines up perfectly with the other indicator I showed you in prior videos, where 100% of the time the Fed raises interest rates, a recession starts within 12 to 18 months. The exact same time frame this chart shows. All right, I already talked about oil stocks rising. Now I want to talk about two more stocks that are rising. But before I do, I want to remind you that I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I talk about today is a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold. These are just my opinions, which may or may not be accurate. Please do your own research before investing in any asset. All right, the first stock I want to talk about today is BBBY. BBBY ran up 100% today after it was announced that GameStop had opened a position in BBBY. Now, the last time BBBY opened up massively back here on November 3rd of last year, it dropped throughout the day and then it rose in the weeks following that. So this time when we opened up way up here at around $30, I felt like it was going to drop today. And that is why I sold a credit bear call spread on BBBY at the open today. We made a 68% profit on that credit bear call spread. Now, I did that expecting this to come down throughout the day, which it did, and it was just a day trade for me. From here on out, I do expect BBBY to rise back up just like it did the last time. I think we're going to rise up for another week, maybe even 2 weeks. So I am actually bullish on BBBY from here on out for the next week or two. Now, I do want to say that even though I did do a day trade today on BBBY and saw a 68% profit, I am not an expert on day trading. But if you are interested in learning how to day trade and you want to make profits like this or even more, I want to recommend a group called Lucrum Investing. Lucrum Investing is making massive profits. I mean, just today, one of the guys over there was up over 51% in this account in one day. And the other thing I want to point out is over the past few weeks, they have been profitable on over 80% of their trades. Over 80% of their trades for the last 3 weeks in a row. They are very successful. So if you want to learn from an incredibly successful group of day traders, I have managed to get a 7-day free trial for you guys. You can sign up for that at stockcurry.vip/discord. And those are the experts on day trading. Like I said, I am not an expert on day trading, but they are. So if you want to learn day trading, you can go check them out. Okay, the other stock that I wanted to talk about was CHPT. As you can see on the technicals, CHPT has just confirmed a rebound and bullishness. We had a crossover of the 10-day and 21-day 2 days ago on Thursday, and then today the candle closed above the 50-day EMA. To me, that is 100% confirmation of a bull run on CHPT. It should be noted that CHPT is also running up because oil prices are running up, and therefore people think that more and more people are going to buy electric cars, which is going to cause charging stations to run up. And so that's one reason why CHPT was running up today. But the other thing is the CMO, the Chief Marketing Officer, is also going to speak at an EV conference on Thursday, and that also gave a little bit of a boost to CHPT today. Now, in addition to those fundamental points, the technicals are absolutely amazing on this, and that is why I opened a March 18th $15/$16 credit bull put spread on CHPT. If CHPT closes at or above $16 within the next 2 weeks, I will make a max profit on this play of $45 per contract. If CHPT closes at or below $15 within the next 3 weeks, I will see a max loss on this play of $55 per contract. But given the bullishness that we saw on the chart today, I think CHPT is going to have no problem getting above $16 within the next 2 weeks. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that video and get a lot out of it. Comment down below what you're buying. Also, if you want to get in on these trades and make the massive profits that we made today, including the BBBY call spread and the CHPT, as well as the OXY and QQQ and all of the different ways that we made money today, I post all of the trades before the orders are filled in the VIP Discord. If you're interested in getting in on these trades and making money with us, you can join the VIP Discord, and you can sign up for that at stockcurry.vip/discord. Also, if you're looking for a broker to trade with, I want to remind you that Webull is having its best promotion ever this month. When you sign up using my link in the description below and deposit just $1, Webull's going to send you 5 free stocks worth up to $9,600. They also give you $5 in free crypto when you make your first crypto trade. Again, just sign up using my link in the description below, deposit at least $1, do that by the end of this month, and you will get 5 free stocks worth up to $9,600. Now, if you're not a US resident, or if you're looking to trade OTC penny stocks, then I recommend Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a highly discounted trading platform. Trades start at just $1 Canadian dollar, 4 euros, or 6 Australian dollars, depending upon where you live. And both Webull and Interactive Brokers both offer the full pre-market and after-hours trading from 4 a.m. until 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, I do want to remind you that I have material connections with both of those, so whenever you sign up for either one, not only are you getting a great broker to trade with, you're also helping me to continue to produce these great videos for you. Finally, I want to remind you to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow the page if you haven't already. I hope you have a lot of success trading, and I will see you tomorrow.